Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to enable your Apple Intelligence on iOS 18. So this will be only available to certain devices such as your 15 and 16 series of iPhones in iOS 18. So I am using a lower version so I won't get it, but I'll show you how to do it. So enabling Apple Intelligence on iOS 18 is simple. Go to settings, general, and then go to software update. You must be in the latest version or you must be in iOS 18 or a developer of iOS 18 so that you'll be able to access this feature. So from there, you will have to just go down to Siri right here. So Siri is going to be replacing your Apple Intelligence. So Apple Intelligence and Siri is going to be the official name. So you will find it in this type of format right here, Apple Intelligence and Siri, and all you have to do is join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. And once you have joined that waitlist, you'll be able to use it and enable it already as a default as a replacement from Siri itself. So you will have to wait for this, and of course, it's gonna take a day or so that it will be registered in the waitlist. So it might take a day or longer. It'll depend on Apple himself. So I cannot determine that for you, but all you have to do is join the waitlist right here and you'll be able to get in. And it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. You must be using English United States for it to work, by the way. And there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.